Hello students, welcome to the first session of sets. This set is very important chapter. The concept of sets will be used in your second chapter of relation and function as well as in the probabilities. And this will be used, the concept of this chapter you will be using in class 12th also. So you should be very attentive to understand this topic. Now, what is a set? To understand this concept, we should go through the certain statements which will define, or you will be automatically come to define the definition of it. Now, first statement says odd natural numbers less than 10. When you go through this statement, certain answer will come automatically in your mind by reading the statement only, and the same answer will be given by all the students, such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers and they are less than 10. And if we say 11, so 11 will not come in this set, or this will not come in under this statement. So their answer is fixed. Now another statement, the vowels in the English alphabet. So again it will come into your mind that only the fixed answer that will be given by the students of all level, that is A, E, I, O, U. Here you are having in both the statement fixed answer among all the students. Here now we come to the third statement. It says collection of 5 most talented writers of India. Now in this statement you see that each and every student will have certain different answer. For me, if I say Khushwant Singh, Arundhati Roy, Chetan Bhagat, Prem Chand and Rabindranath Tagore, these are the 5 most talented writers of India. But you may have a certain different answer, or your friend may have the different answer. Now we come to the fourth statement, collection of all good players of India. As soon as this question you hear, in your mind the certain things that the name of the players which arise in your mind, that will be the best cricketers. There are the certain different players also, or different games are also there, and there are more players who are good in other games. So that answer also will differ from person to person. Now in these all 4 statements, if you see, here you are having a definite answer, but here you are having a varying answer. So these 2 statements, here nothing is being defined. Now here it is defined, well defined, it is not varying, here it is varying. So we can say about the set, a well-defined collection of object is called a set. So here the defined, that the elements are defined, objects are defined, but here the objects are not defined, isn't it? So here the objects, and these objects or elements or the members, they can be said, this can be called as a set. Now we move further to keep certain things in mind, how the sets can be represented. Now here we say the sets are usually denoted by capital letters. When we talk about the set, so here we have taken the set of odd natural numbers, the collection of odd natural numbers, that will be set. We can denote the set by A, B, C or X, Y, Z. Whatsoever the alphabets are using, we will be using in a capital form. Okay. Now these all the objects, elements and members are one and the same thing, and we need to keep in mind that when we are representing the elements or the objects or the members of the set, they all will be represented with small letters and they will be separated by commas. As you have seen here, I have explained here that these are separated by commas and they all are written with small letters. Now let's discuss more about the sets. here sets can be represented in two forms. There are the two methods to represent the set. One is your roster or tabular form. The next is your set builder form. You need to understand about the roster form, how this roster form will be represented. We need to keep certain things in mind, that first of all, that all the elements are listed in this form. The elements are being separated by commas. Elements are enclosed with braces. The order in which the elements are listed, that is immaterial, and the elements are taken, that is distinct. So these are the points which we need to keep in mind when we are writing it in the roster form. Let's see the certain example. The example is here that we are taking one set A, and if you see that, as we have discussed in the previous part, that sets are denoted by capital letters. So when we are denoting by capital letters and we are keeping the elements in braces, and all the elements which are kept inside the braces, they are separated by commas. Okay, and I am rewriting this set again in the form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see the order in the above set and the here are different. Here it is in ascending order and here it is in the haphazard manner. The order is not fixed. So it is immaterial in which order we write it down. Okay. Now if you see in the second one, the B, A, E, I, O, U I have written, and these are the elements of the set which says that set of vowels of English alphabet. So here I have written all the vowels in the small letter. The elements are written with a small letter, and these are known as the form, that is your roster form. Second form is your set builder form. In this set builder form, you see it is written in this manner. Now braces are there. We are writing the X 2 times. This X is representing all the elements of the set, and this set tells the condition कि X is the letters of the word school. So here we read this kind of the statement, that is of the set builder. All the elements of the set X is such that this colon is termed as such that, okay, colon is done such that X is the letters of the word school. Now if I write it down in the roster form, here what the terms, it says all the letters of the school. So when we rewrite this, so we will write it down as S, C, H, O, L, and all the elements will be separated by commas and they will be kept in the braces. Okay, and here I have written the letters, elements of the set in capital, as the spelling was given in capital. That's why it is written in capital letters. Otherwise it will be written, all the elements will be written in the small letters if the letters of the English alphabets are used. Okay, now we see the second statement, the set, which is written in the set builder form. How this is to be read: again, for all the elements of the set, X is such that X is equal to 2n, n belongs to natural number, and 2 is less than n, and n is less than equal to 5. Here the elements of the set that is represented by X will be equal to 2n, and another condition is given: this n belongs to natural number, and the other condition is given that the limitation of n, ki what is the boundary or what number of n will be taken. The value of n will be greater than 2 and less than equal to 5. So if we are listing this element, so what we will do, we will write it down, that is x is equal to 2n, which will be giving you, for this n is given as what? N is equal to 3, 4 and 5, and x is equal to 2n, so x will be equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. The elements which will be listed in the roster form, that this will be your x, this will be your 6, 8, 10. We will not write this as the element of set, but we will write it this. Reason, here the x elements of the set, that is x is equal to 2n. So here the value of 2n is this. I hope this thing is clear. Okay. Now in these two, now you see that how we will write this in the set builder form. So here we will be writing this in the set builder form, that is x is such that x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, less than 6. Or we can write it down, x is such that x belongs to natural number and n, your x is less than equal to 5. This also we can write it down. Clear? Here one more thing, that this is your, this turns n belongs to n. So here this is known as epsilon, and when we are writing down this epsilon, so this means ki n is belonging to this natural number. Okay, when we say if n does not belongs to natural number, so we will do what? This epsilon will be striked off like this. Then we can say n does not belongs to natural number. Okay, now we take up more example. With the help of that, I think your concept related to sets will be more clear. Here this question says, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. So we need to find out the elements, we need to find out the value. So what we will do, we will solve this equation by splitting of the middle term. We will obtain the two factors and we equate it to 0, so we get the two values, x is equal to 1 and minus 2. Now for the roster form, these two are the elements of the set, because it says the set, that write down the solution set. So for the solution set in the roster form, so we will be writing down that there is a solution set of the given equation which can be written in the roster form as 1 comma minus 2, and that too in braces. You need to keep this thing in mind, that without this kind of the curly braces, it will not be called as a set in the roster form or in the set builder notation. Okay, we take another example. It says, write the set x is such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. Now here it says ki all the elements of x is a positive integer. It is a positive integer, and the limitation is there ki if we do the squaring of x, that will be less than 40. So what will be the elements? The required numbers will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reason, here when we do the square of these numbers, it should be less than 40. So if we do the square of 6, so that will be your 36, and if I take it as 7, so that will be your 49. So it will become greater than 40. So we will consider this, but this will not be the roster form. Roster form will be this thing, when we are writing out the element in this form. I hope this thing is clear. Okay. Now we move to another example that we will be converting the roster form in the set builder form. How we will convert this? This I will show you here. This question says, write the set A is equal to, the elements are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 in the set builder form. Now when you are writing it down in the set builder form, you need to see the elements. Here the elements are, when we are writing in the set builder form, the elements should be of same kind. They should have the same property. Property means, if you see carefully, the 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So there is a certain resemblance in these elements. If you see carefully, so these are what? A is what? 2 to power of 1, 2 to power of 2, we are getting 4. 2 to power of 3, 8, 2 to power of 4, 16, 2 to power of 5 is 32. Now here if you see in the case of power, that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the bases are same. You see, bases are same. The powers are increasing as the natural numbers. You get it? Now how you are going to write this? So here we will take that x in the set builder form, we'll write it what? That will be your x is such that x is equal to 2 to power of n. So these are the elements of the set. So we will be taking this as an x. So if I take this as an x, so x is what? 2 to power of n, because the bases are same and powers the n is taken as the power, and where the limitation says n belongs to natural number. If you see these, all the power is what? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the natural numbers. The n belongs to natural numbers, and the limitation of this power is what? 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to 5. When we are taking this natural number, so natural number starts from 1, and since here the power is 1, so we cannot exclude 1. So we will take 1 is less than equal to n. That means that all the values of n will include 1 and as well as the include 5. Clear? So this way it will be represented. Now we take another question. It says in the set builder form, the roster form is given 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 8 and 8 upon 9. Now what is the relationship between the first term element and the second element? Second and third, third and fourth. So there should be something here. So if we see carefully, so what we say, that this is the first 1 upon 2. Then we have got 2 upon, or we can say this we are having 1 plus 1, and here we are having here 2. So 2 is here, the 2 plus 1. Next if we say, here I am having 3, so 3 plus 1. Then we have 4, so here it will be 4 plus 1. Then we have 5, so 5 plus 1 and so on. If you see, the first element of the denominator is just like what? It is like natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, and 9, and so on. Isn't it? But here the limitation is given. It is from 1 upon 2 till 8 upon 9. So if we see the last element, so this will be your 8 and this will be 8 plus 1. So we can form that x, here x will be equal to 1, or we can say n. If in the numerator, if you say that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and n upon n plus 1 or not. This we are getting it. And n, limitation of n is what? N belongs to natural number and n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 8. These are the limitations we are finding. Now this can be written in a form of a statement. This can be written as f is equal to x is such that x is equal to n upon n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number and 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to 8. This is the limitation which is given. Okay. Okay, now we will be doing some questions of the exercise. Here I'm discussing the brief about the questions which you will be doing on your own. In the exercise 1.1, it says ki which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So you need to, I have explained you about what are set and how you will be justifying it. If that is well defined, so you will be writing down ki that it is a set. It is the letters or the elements which are being defined. For example, if we say that the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. Now here this J, we are having January, June, July. Are we having any other month? No, isn't it? So here it will be that it is a well defined, and this answer will be given by each person whom this question is asked. Okay. Now it will not vary. So here we will say it is a set, and now here again say the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This will vary. Okay. So this is not well defined. So this for the justification, it is not well defined, so it is not a set. Okay. So this will be doing, and the second question it says let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol, that is your epsilon or not equal to, yani ki belongs to or not. The one thing you understand here, ki if we say ki that letter set A is contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I say 5 and belongs to A, this will be here that this is your symbol which will be used, and a 5 belongs to A. And if I say 7 and A, so this will not belongs to A. So whatever the elements present inside the set, they will all belong to set A. And the elements which are not inside the set, they will not belong to A. So this way you will be doing it. And then it says ki write the sets in the roster form, only the listing of the elements which you will be doing it. Clear? The fourth one says ki write the following set in the set builder form. I have explained you this manner, you will, yani ki that way you will be doing it. Then it says ki list all elements of the following sets. So again it will be a roster form. And the sixth question says ki match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set in the right in the set builder form. So to match this, the first you will be writing it down in the roster form, and then you can say ki which set is matching with set. Clear? So this is your work. I hope you will be able to do it. You complete this, and if you are having any problem, so we will discuss the certain questions which you have got a problem. Okay.